In the ancient world, where empires rose and fell, one civilization held sway over the Mediterranean Sea, their influence reaching far beyond their rugged homeland of Tyre and Sidon. This was the realm of the Phoenicians, a people known for their skill in navigation, seafaring, and trade. In the heart of the first millennium BCE, the Phoenicians embarked on a bold venture, constructing a vast network of trade routes that would link their cities with the farthest corners of the known world. These mariners sailed in ships as sleek and swift as the fabled winds that carried them across the sea, and their wares, from Tyrian purple dye to cedar wood, were coveted throughout the Mediterranean. Yet, the Phoenician trade routes were not merely a conduit for commerce, they were the lifeline of civilization itself. They brought exotic goods, ideas, and cultures to the shores of the Mediterranean, and in doing so, fostered a sense of interconnectedness among the peoples of the ancient world. But the Phoenician mariners were not without their foes. The Carthaginians, a rival seafaring civilization, posed a significant threat to the Phoenician trade routes. As Carthage grew in power, the two cities found themselves locked in a struggle for dominance, a struggle that would shape the course of history. One of the most famous confrontations between the Phoenicians and the Carthaginians took place in the year 509 BCE, in the waters off the coast of Sicily. The Phoenician fleet, commanded by the legendary Hanan, had been sailing from Tyre to Carthage when they were ambushed by a Carthaginian squadron. The battle raged for days, with both sides suffering heavy losses. Yet, Hanan's determination was unwavering. He knew that the fate of his people and their trade routes hung in the balance. In a desperate bid to turn the tide, Hanan ordered a risky maneuver, steering his ships through the narrow Strait of Messina, a treacherous passage between Sicily and the Italian mainland. The Carthaginian admiral, caught off guard, was unable to follow. As Hanan emerged from the strait, he turned his ships on the Carthaginian fleet, catching them off balance and dealing a crushing blow. The Phoenicians emerged victorious, their trade routes secured, at least for a time. Yet, the legacy of the Phoenician mariners extends far beyond the stories of their battles. Their trade routes, though challenged and changed over the centuries, have remained a testament to the power of human ingenuity, connection, and the indomitable spirit of adventure. From the shores of Tyre and Sidon to the farthest reaches of the Mediterranean, the echoes of the Phoenician mariners' Odyssey continue to resonate, a tale of trade, conquest, and the enduring allure of the open sea.